Hi everyone, welcome to the Active 2.0 support video series. My name is Raul with Active Products, and today we're going to be diving in on how to troubleshoot your Active 2.0. When powering on your Active 2.0 pressure washer, the first thing you need to do is to plug in the GFCI and press the reset button. The purpose of the GFCI is to ground the pressure washer, as it is a water dispensing electrical tool. The most common defects on the GFCI are 1. The light not coming on when you switch it on, and 2. The light's on, but you hear a buzzing sound or feel a heating sensation on the receptacle. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver for the removal and installation of the GFCI plug. Step 1. Remove 4 screws from the plastic casing and set aside. Step 2. Remove the internal 4 screws to release the cable and connecting wires from the GFCI. Step 3. Get the new GFCI and place the cable receptacles at the terminal points. Ensure that they are snug inside and screw the 2 screws down to hold them in place. Step 4. Keep the cable in the correct position and screw down the remaining 2 internal screws. Step 5. Place the plastic cover and tighten the 4 external screws to finish the GFCI plug installation. That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. If you need any further assistance with your Active 2.0, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@activeproducts.com. We'd love to help you. Hope you all have a great day and see you in the next video.